Once the sat nav's telling you that you're nearly home, half a mile, only 2 minutes, 1 minute, 30 seconds away from home. So I can start going to sleep, I can start getting on my phone, I can start telling whoever that I'm nearly there. Or wait a minute, stop. You're still driving and you still need to drive safely all the way home. If you know the statistic that most accidents happen within X amount of yards or meters or feet or miles from your house, you need to be really concentrating, because that's when you start switching off. It's like an excitement, oh yeah, nearly done. Then you can start thinking of the next thing, but while you're driving, you need to think of this thing. Same as on your driving test. While you're on your driving test, just think of your driving test. When you realize that you're coming back towards the test center, you're gonna start switching off. You're gonna start thinking and replaying the driving test. You're gonna start thinking about how many mistakes you've made and, oh my God, was that one a minor or a major? Can't remember, but I swear I didn't see the examiner. Stop, wait. Now you're not concentrating on your driving test. This bus lane's open. Let's use it. You need to keep concentrating right up until the last minute.